Good morning, guys. So, this is what I promised about the fix on the problem of rating plugin. Okay, so on this last video guide on how to enhance your sidebar through the use of widgets, I found out for this 2 days, 2 past days, that the GD rating plugin that we are recommending to use in our blog site is not compatible with the current version of WordPress that we have. The, the WordPress version that we have is at the version 5.8, but the GD rating plugin is only compatible with the 5.0. If you want to know the answer on how to change the PHP version of your website to make it compatible with the plugin, with the script that you are using, you just log into your cPanel and go to select PHP version and select whatever version you want to use. Okay, so with this, I am recommending and demonstrating on what will be the one uniform rating plugin that we will be using in our website projects, in our blog site, and in our main website. Okay, so what is this plugin, by the way? So assuming that you are already in your WordPress dashboard, just go to the plugins menu and select add new. Okay, so we are now in the add new adding plugins option window. So in the keyword search bar in your add plugins window, you just uh, search for, okay, so you just search for rate my site, or a keyword, let's say for example rating. As you can see in my search bar, I have many keywords that I use and tried so many rating plugin uh, that we recommend to use in our website. Okay, but sadly, okay, we cannot use uh, most of the rating plugin, but instead I decided to give you one plugin, which is the rating widget star review system plugin. So this is it. Just click the install now button. Okay, and then the next would be the activate button. Okay, so while we are waiting for the installation of the rating widget, okay, so let's have a glimpse on what will be the output. Okay, so the rating widget, rate widget that you will be using in your blog site would be like this one. Okay, so in every article that is in your website, okay, must have, okay, should have a rating feature like this one. Okay, so 1 up to 5 star. Okay. Then a widget, okay, a widget that is required in your project is to input a widget that will display top rated articles, just like this one. Okay, at the right, on the located in our sidebar. Okay, so go back to our installation of the uh, plugin. Okay, so the activate button will be displayed after the installation. Just click it. Okay, so While waiting for that, okay, wait, it's already finished. So nothing more that you could do in the settings. Just leave as is. You just go to the appearance menu and select widgets so that we will be placing in our output something like this one in our sidebar. Top rated article, top rating is to be placed beneath or after the recent comments, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, if you remember the first video, just watch it and look for the arrangement, the chronological order of the required widget that you will be placing in your sidebar. Okay, so we are now in the widget area. You just assuming that the rest of the other widgets are already placed here. So what I'll be demonstrating is on the rating widget only. Okay, so you just click the add block, assuming that it is next to your recent comment block. Okay, so then in the search bar, you just type rate or rating. Okay, so the rating widget top rated will be displayed. You just select it. Okay, so that's it. And in the widget title, you just add top rated articles. Then at the bottom, okay, there's no update button. Okay, the update button is here at the upper rightmost of the window. Okay, if you're allowed to make the items in your top rated articles, okay, it's up to 10 articles. It depends on the design of your minimum 5, maximum of 10. Okay, you just click update. Okay, so one thing more before I end this video tutorial, since you are the admin, okay, since you are the admin, your target is to make your articles at least 6 stars and above. Okay, so how to do that? If someone rated your article 1.2 star, 3 star, then it will might ruin the article rating of your website. So you just need to rate your own blog site. Okay, add more, uh, add more article and rate it 5 stars, just to make your article stars higher. Okay, so that's the technique. Okay, you are allowed only to have one vote, just like this one. I am only the one who voted this welcome article, or if there are others who voted it, I can change my vote anytime, but it will I cannot vote multiple times in one article. So I can change it to 3 star. That's it. Then refresh. So the output would be this one, 3 stars. Okay. So that's it. That's easy on how to install the rating widget plugin.